today I'm going to be showing y'all the back of my vehicle. It's a little dirty right now. Y'all never seen the back of it, have y'all? Kind of dirty right now, but I plan to get it cleaned up. This is the part that it needed for it to work again. We've got some little I'm pretty sure it wasn't an easy fix. All dirty there. Yeah, my seats are down right now. And that is the back of my seat, right? Back of my truck. Land Rover, that is. It has not been open since a couple years. Got stuck that one day and never came undone. It just needed a new thing like that. It's crazy, isn't it? Little things that keep you from opening things until you replace it. And now, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. There's other videos coming out Saturday. Me playing the guitar, which is pretty cool, I guess, if y'all like that. I'm not going to tell you what songs I'm going to play. There's some rock, country. Tell me what kind of music do y'all like? And I will see y'all later. Bye.